Looks like we're about to begin.
Fucking it. Oh, that's why. The mic got turned down again. Alright, previous hello, welcome back to the stream. We're trying playing some Sims 3 again. Maybe I'll do something else. I'm kind of thought about GTA 4. Maybe?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Anyways, yep, as always, co-host. I'm decided to say fuck it. Flame's the co-host. He's officially co-host.
I know.
So, yeah.
There's a whole other group of people as well.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
There's one more being very quiet, but he's very busy working on computer shit. I don't know. Right. So, except the last time...
I'm just choking on air over here. Give me a second.
I'll spare. I went ahead and I made myself a little bedroom for my character. Nobody is allowed in my room but me, which is very fitting. No one is allowed in my room but me, IRL. I hate when people go into my room. It's like, what the fuck? Get out. You know, I like literally have nothing. I'm not joking. I don't have a TV. I have like an old radio CD player. That's it. I have a bed. Sure, I have a bed, but like, it's nothing. I don't. Ah, god damn it! What the? No. What's the fucking name? Bjorn. No Bjorn.
The puppies come in.
Curb your bitch or whatever the fuck.
Wow.
Oh, good boy. Oh, wait, hold up. What are you doing? Okay, good, napping. Let's see, Bjorn, go out and, don't be destructive somewhere else, or go. Don't held up, leave the dog
I'm annoyed
alone.
at the fact that I had to write actual Ruby code in order to make this thing actually completely work.
Bjorn, go chew on a toy. Go chew a doggy toy. Let me see. I got work in 1 day, 3 hours. Okay, let's try getting my handiness up here. Tinker. And for you, what do you need? You have day. Okay, you have the day off as well. Let's see.
Because the other problem that I have with Ruby is that it is white space delineated, just like Python. It's literally worse Python.
Yeah.
Boneheld, why is Boneheld brushing her teeth? You don't fucking eat.
Gotta keep them bones well.
You
Gotta
don't.
keep them bones like healthy.
Everyone, if you could instantly master any game, which one would you choose and why? Let's hear your thoughts. God damn, you already fucking asked this question.
If I could master any game?
Yeah.
If I could master any game, it'd probably be fucking Valorant. Get into the pro scene.
See, if I was going to pick any game to actually get involved in esports on whatsoever, because generally I don't care for playing games competitively like that, but if I had to pick one, it would be Splitgate.
Splitgate's pretty fun.
I mean, like good old classic Unreal Tournament.
That's not fair. You were a pro for Unreal Tournament.
So what? I would pick the game that I'm most comfortable in.
There are a lot of reasons that's unfair, not just because of the history.
I mean, I would probably do the same, except it would be for StarCraft.
Well, go to the fucking bathroom then, Hanako. The bathroom's over there.
Bathrooms are for others. I
God-
make my own
no.
bathrooms.
Goddamn, Hanako. No, not while I'm working. I am working on a... Tell me to fucking leave. What the hell? And Pony was brushing her teeth again?
Chaos
It's
Gremlin.
like friggin'
Go
Hanako
back
literally
in.
just went.
Well, back in. I go, oh, okay. Okay, I just go to the wall. We just go back, okay. Alright, I guess I'm gonna go get some food. There? Maybe. Think of the fridge. Really, Hanako? You didn't fucking flush?
That's
In real life, I do.
friggin'-
I'm granted Sims. Nobody fucking flushes in the Sims. Nobody washes their hands or anything.
And that's why you have specialized toilets that automatically flush for you.
Exactly. And now Bone Hilda is laying in Hanako's bed reading a book. What the fuck is going on here?
I swear,
Sure.
Bonehilda has slowly started getting worse and worse each game. Just like, just the bones started getting personality. It's now along the lines of the bones are able to do whatever they want
Like, fuck
instead
you.
of doing what they were supposed to do.
Exactly. She's like, no, fuck you. You don't pay me.
Thing is, The Sims 3 removed servos, so you couldn't even get a robot to help you sort shit out.
What the hell? Okay, so is there no roof? There's supposed to be a roof here in the house. A whole entire house has a roof. Hold on.
And you forgot to put one in that room, didn't you?
No, I didn't. There is a roof on the house. See, right there. See, the whole entire
Oh,
house
okay.
has a roof. Hold on, the game's freaking out.
It's not bad then.
Yeah, see, the whole entire house has a roof. Oh, I see. I see right here. This little gap right here. Never mind. Call me a fucking liar. I'm eating crow. Okay. Let's see. Trying to grab it. Can I grab it? Ooh, let's not do that. Can I grab the roof, please? Can I please grab the fucking roof so I can send it? Fine. Fine, we gotta do that little ugly thing. Okay. Hopefully now the house, it'll stop snowing in the house. It's been snowing inside. You know what? I better...
Well, now you know the reason why it's been snowing in the house. There's no goddamn roof.
Yeah. Or no.
I'm gonna have a parking violation. I've been parked way too long refueling my truck. I'm gonna have a parking violation.
Okay, hopefully everything's good now. It's still... Okay, I swear there's a roof everywhere now. I swear there is. Why is it snowing in the fucking house.
There's no roof.
No, there is a roof. There is a fucking roof. I made sure every room has a roof. I gave him 2 roofs. There's 2 of them. There's a flat roof and then an arch roof. I made sure of that. And then this... No, you're bringing bad boy. Here's reinforcement. Gold for destructive. Oh, he's gonna go give me a trick. Oh. I just love how Flame's character, he just, it's annoying inside the house, and then he's just walking around and just in his underwear, nothing, no suit, not even socks or shoes or anything. He's just...
That sounds fitting for me.
You know, meanwhile here I am dressed head to toe and, you know, got gloves, a winter jacket, everything.
And I'm just wandering around in my skivvies while it's fucking snowing.
Exactly. Hanako is wearing her dress, which I mean is a bit better, but not perfect.
Flame and I've been like, fuck all, it's snowing? Nah, whatever.
I seem to be the only one who is the most floozy out of us, though.
Let's see, what are you doing anyways, Hanako? You're cooking something, okay. Alright, go have my character shower and then... Oh yeah, there's a snowman you made. Flame, you made a... Oh Jesus fuck, what the hell? Give name to Snowman Bitter Tartar? The hell? There's a fucking gnome in the yard. It's a random ass gnome.
Hanako, go over and enchant it.
Like, is it a garden gnome or like an actual gnome?
It's a garden gnome.
Okay. Enchanted? Sure.
You can view it.
Enchants it to come to life at night to annoy one specific person.
Can't really
Sounds
do
about
anything.
right.
You can view it. That's about it. You can name it. Okay. Okay. The name right now is Lords. What should we name it, Flame?
Lord's the friggin' gnome. Is that seriously what it's called?
It's the name it gave it automatically, but we can change it. Lourdes. We can change it to whatever we want.
Lords.
Able to get away with calling it, I don't know the character limit, but how about Rumpelstiltskin?
Sure.
As soon as you can
Can
figure
you-
out how to spell it.
Yeah. Okay. So Rumpelstiltskin. Is still. Is that it?
Hold on. Those PMs. Now that I can actually do it quickly on my PC. Yes! I feel alive again.
Well, did you get your internet situation sorted? Ish?
Sort of. It's now at a point where it's like actually decently comfortable. Okay, I now have the ability to just immediately restart and upgrade. But I'll save that for a little bit.
Oh, yeah, I got it spelled right. Okay. Okay. There we go. Name's not Rumpelstiltskin. Don't know. Great, so we're gonna have a gnome just laying around the house now, talking. Alright. Let's see. Flame? Let's have you... Hanako, what are you doing, Hanako?
Black magic.
No, what the hell? Hanako, you made yourself pancakes. But then you go ahead and eat the key lime pie. Why did you make fucking pancakes if you're trying to eat the fucking pie?
I made it for you guys. I made them for you guys. I'm thoughtful.
My character can't eat food.
Mine can.
Well, at least I made pancakes for someone.
We're gonna
Here's
tinker.
hoping they're actually edible.
Ooh.
I don't make them out of rock, as far as I know.
No, but sometimes, like, spell magic, if it's not done right, will end up making poor quality foods. However, I think you have been improving your logic, so the quality of it might actually be quite decent.
I have sent another link to the latest build.
Yeah, I'm downloading it now.
Okay. Yeah, and basically if you can just test that to the maximum extent physically possible, see if you run across any major issues that are different from the standard install, but I think at this point I've pretty much covered everything.
Blurpity blur blur blur.
Alright, let me check on work. 19 hours for me and a day and 3 for you. Okay. Fuck it. I'm in... Where am I at? Okay, level 7. Alright. That's it. God damn it. Sit right here, Belf. There's room on the couch. What the hell? Fine. Dog, get down. Dorn, get down. Dog, can sit down. Apparently, I'm gonna be I'm skin him as like a true fucking autist. I gotta be picky. I gotta sit at a certain spot. You know, there's a clearance day. There was a spot
Okay,
right
Sheldon
here.
Cooper.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I gotta pull a fucking Sheldon.
Damn.
Oh, what? And you get up and leave. Wow, what? Do I offend? What the hell's your sim doing? Oh, he's gonna go brush Bjorn.
Like, that's where I sit. It's like, well, sit next to me. No, I sit there.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It's like, brother, come on.
29 on the
bruh.
I'm gonna replace
Like,
that by the video.
Bruh.
Please, this time, VGD, do not explode. I need you.
Explosion.
How are we doing on relationships and that? Okay, we're still good. Okay, gosh.
Confusion.
Okay, good. Ooh, I could be more. Yeah, get to know Hanako more.
Be right back.
What?
Yeah, I'm I'm not gonna ask this. I just will later. Assuming your schedule is correct, you are doing something tonight.
Who me?
Yes, you.
Yes, community games. Why?
Just making sure, because I don't know. I don't know specifically what games you're gonna be playing. So
Pretty much. I think a long repo session is in effect,
yeah,
but with people, of course.
which means I would probably have to reinstall.
Indeed, you need to reinstall. Sell the battery, there we go, that's done. I replaced the battery of the grab. The grab has a 500 units battery, a 300 unit UCC. Yep, it's perfect. Drive is good.
I'm not gonna be able to join right away though.
It's not gonna
I got-
happen until probably after 19 or 2000.
Okay, well,
You will be there at 2000 anyway.
maybe.
And you stream career, you don't treat it seriously, you treat bowling more seriously than you stream career.
Who says I was streaming? I'd just be there to play. I wouldn't be streaming it myself. Alright, that's in my
But
horror
you
section.
barely even stream, so that you don't take that very seriously. Although it's like, as a VTuber, you should take streaming more seriously than doing extracurricular activities. That is just my
To
recommendation.
be fair, you also put us on WTR.
I'm still gonna stream even if WTR. I'm just not gonna stream in a corporate sense, but in my own sense.
Plus, I haven't tested VTube Studio to see if it works when I'm streaming. I got it to register that it's readable in my OBS, like my Stream Elements OBS, but I haven't really tested it. Mainly just added it. Where it
I
would
still
actually...
need that fucking iPhone dock so I could actually use my iPhone as the capture thing, but
Yeah. What, for VTube?
yeah.
It's
Because
like,
for my camera,
doesn't it have to be like USB? Doesn't it have to be like USB or something?
USB, it could be Thunderbolt. I could use a Thunderbolt cable because my motherboard has Thunderbolt 4 ports, aka USB 4.
Nice.
USB 4 is actually a slightly higher spec than Thunderbolt 4.
But yeah, it supports Thunderbolt, no issues because of USB 4. I'm like, good, it's a great motherboard. I picked actually one of the best motherboards in the fucking market right now.
It's the one from Gigabyte, right?
Gigabyte X870. So it's Gigabyte X870 Eros
Back.
ELIT
Welcome
Wi-Fi
back.
7 Ice.
I've got spag bowl.
Nice.
You got food?
Hey, yeah, spag bowl.
I have food right behind me. I just need to reheat my sticky rice or whatever, and I can eat right away. I planned.
So I just learned that
Depending on how that lines up with my schedule stuff, I might be interested in joining community games.
Hanako, you broke the fucking TV.
Would you be available to join at around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time?
I was gonna say, what the bleeding hell's that
Should be.
in
That,
another time
yeah.
zone?
Oh, it's like, I think it's like, hold on, 8 p.m. my time? So you're
Eastern
6 hours
Daylight
ahead.
Time.
Yeah, so you're
Three
like,
in the
so it's like you're
3 in
6
the
hours
morning.
ahead of me.
That'll be 2 a.m. my time. So I
Yeah.
already know the time conversion. Don't worry,
1
doing
o'clock
0.6.
for me then.
No.
1 a.m. 1 a.m. At Flames time. Flames time, yeah.
I
then what about
should
Alex's?
be able to. Yeah, well, I'm in Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, so you're in my time zone. That's right.
Yeah, we share a time zone. Makes it easier.
Yeah. So it's like 8 p.m. our time.
Yeah, I should be home by then. And I won't be able to stick around for super long because I'll be heading to sleep about 10 Eastern. But for an hour and a half to 2 hours, I should be able to join.
That's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna real quick send you my Steam friend code so you can add me on Steam. I need to get used to the new look of iOS 26. It's legit how it's called. I am not making this up. I wish I could make this up.
What, did they skip a bunch of numbers again to make it
They
kind of
actually,
sort of halfway line up with the year?
They
they
skipped
exactly do this.
they skipped iOS 19 and immediately went to iOS 26.
Actually, what they did is even better. They're now naming their OSs after the year that's coming up. So as 2026 is coming up, iOS is now named 26, macOS 26, etc., etc.
Yeah, so they're pulling the car model year thing basically.
4 OSs, yes. The unnamed engineer. Oh, thank you. Just sent me a DM. Oh, at the same time, I was ready to send you my friend code. Great.
Yeah, beat you to it.
Because I was like struggling to find that in the mobile app.
I was gonna say, you can look in my mutuals and you would have found him.
But the mobile app is shit.
Yeah, I'm on PC. I probably would have been able to find it a lot quicker.
Issue is if I
know
do
my
an
way
old,
around the mobile app, so I can get there very quickly.
if I ever do one more alt tab, the game is gonna be blank screen, and I'm gonna be like, oh shit, I need to quit the game and restart it, and lose a bunch of progress.
If
Games can be a bit iffy with alt tab on Linux.
Yeah, I have found that a couple of things that can help you with that. Number one, I have found that Alt-Tab is a little bit more stable in Proton when using a Fedora-based distro instead of an Ubuntu-based distro. I don't know if it's something with the difference in the versions of glibc or something else, but somehow Alt-Tab is slightly more stable on Fedora-based or Red Hat-based distros than Debian-based distros.
Well, I've already done
Additionally, if you use the Flatpak release of Steam instead of the native release of Steam, it's even more stable.
I used the release that's directly from Steam's website, which is .deb, I think, for my distro.
Yeah, the Flatpak release is more stable than the native release for any distro, because that allows it to have a file system layer with the CLang binaries that the release of Steam is meant to work with, rather than whatever CLang binaries your distro has decided to update to.
But it's issues that that are less of a problem than on Windows, because on Windows it entirely just took over the desktop manager and we're like, nope, get fucked. At least there I still have access to my desktop environment and I can still quit the thing, so it's an issue that I'm willing to put up with because it does not happen super often. As long as the game does not crash mid-runtime, I'm good.
there's a open poll in game. That's why I'm starting the game.
In gaming,
First-
what? Let's go.
For Schedule 1.
Oh. I did not even see the Steam notification that you were playing a game because I'm in full screen exclusive, which makes Steam unable to send the notifications.
I'm just voting in the poll and then I'm getting off.
I'm
There's a
checking my
poll.
grab icon to see if the grab just goes plunk.
What server is the poll?
In game, schedule 1.
It's in game on Schedule 1.
Oh, okay. It's not an actual poll then.
No, it's a poll for it's direct. They call it direct feedback in game industry, I think.
Depends. Some call it voting, others call it. It's just like depends on what the terminology the game studio wants to use.
Well, he calls it a community vote. What do you want to see in the next major Schedule 1 update? Rival Cartel, Police Expansion, or Shrooms?
Shrooms. Vote for shrooms. Police and cartels can wait, but for now, shrooms are important because they can make us filthy rich.
Yeah, so I voted Shrooms.
Alright.
Your vote has been recorded. Thank you.
Pardon?
Me, logic.
Oh, no, I can't hear you.
Can't hear who.
The person.
Her family is speaking to her. Or roommate, one or the other.
Aid.
What time is it? It is 2:23 in the 2:23.
Let's see.
You almost said in the
23.
morning.
Oh,
Ah.
it's afternoon technically, but
Ooh,
I would
congratulations,
normally
Flame.
be. I'd
Flame-
normally be waking up around this time.
Flame has just
why
improved
am I
his
getting-
cooking skills at level 9. Flame can now prepare French toast and dim sum. Check the bookstore for new recipes as well. You gotta be fucking level 9 to make French toast?
Yeah, like what?
What
You
the
kidding
fuck?
me? It's
What?
just eggy bread.
Yeah, like
You
egg
have to
bread
be
and...
level 9 to learn how to make eggy bread?
Yeah, bread, egg, and cinnamon? Paprika, maybe?
Not even. We're just doing the British way of doing French toast, which is savory. We ain't doing no
Okay.
sweet.
Okay, there. God damn. What the fuck? Alright, what's wrong with you? Energy. Ooh, your job. Yeah. Well, yeah, here, you better hit the sack. Here, go on. Sleep, go to bed. I'm gonna stay here working, upgrading the TV.
You got the gift. Always remember, if you ain't first, you're last.
I always work in space.
Congratulations on first.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see here. Turn that off while we work on it. Oh my Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my God, that fucking scared the hell out of me. What the hell? Dude, there's this gnome. It's a gnome inside the house, and it's like oddly dog-shaped, and it's just sitting there.
I enchanted the gnome.
No, that's
The
not.
gnome is no dome.
It's just standing there.
Menacingly.
SpongeBob.
Get off the front phone. Yeah, but no. Okay, so this is a different one. This one named. It says give name to Carter K90 Mios, and the name it gave it by default is Brian, which we named this one. That's one Rumpelstiltskin.
I'm quite
Which
happy with Brian. That sounds funny.
Brian? Fuck it. His name was Brian. Brian's a dog gnome. It's just. How the hell did you get in the house? How did you get in the fucking house? One sec. Yeah, no. No, how did you get in the house?
The gnome has been enchanted by Akko, probably.
No, it wasn't enchanted. There was no enchanting of the gnome. That was not an option.
They just magically appear. Just-
Maybe it's my magic that attracts gnomes.
that could be a thing.
No, cause Rumpelstiltskin is still outside in the snow. Here's Rumpelstiltskin right here, and then over here is this fucking beast.
Cretin, yeah. So when you cretin here, they just somehow managed to make it inside. Like, what the hell are you doing?
And it doesn't help. It's just sitting there, like watching. Like, how long were you watching me? Why
You're
am I?
still tinkering with a TV that's on, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to upgrade it. I guess I gave up. Oh well, gotta go to work. Anna, go grab a shower. Grab a
I
shower.
showered in real life, thank you.
Grab a shower. Use the toilet. Open.
In real life, so thank you.
Grab a plate of pancake.
Don't be eating no epicac, for God's sake.
So we eat what now?
Ipecac.
Epic. What the hell is that? Who pissed on the floor?
It's a medical solution of some sort that's meant to induce vomiting.
Ah.
However, because of the fact that the idea of that doesn't sound wonderful, people started putting flavors to it, and one of the flavors you can get is maple syrup.
Ew, grody. I
At
mean,
least it's not hardtack.
Because maple syrup is a thing, and most people tend to associate maple syrup with pancakes. A lot of people can't eat pancakes for a while after they've had ipecac.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Have you heard of hardtack?
It's essentially crackers or sea biscuits that are twice baked.
I was a Civil War reenactor, like an American Civil War reenactor. We actually had to eat that at one of our events.
I don't blame you
tastes-
for the fact that it is not nice.
No, it's not. In order to soften it, we kind of had to dip it into the coffee.
Well, yeah,
Next
you
thing
have
was-
to either break it up into shit to put into a stew. You have to put it into stew, or you have to literally soak it in something to soften it. Because
Exactly.
it's rock hard.
Yeah, no, that stuff is not good.
The only thing good about it, it will last for goddamn ever.
Yeah, that's the only good thing about it.
Because it's literally just flour and water, and then baked to the point where it becomes as hard as fucking tank. Like, tank
Yeah.
plates.
Which is why it's called hardtack.
It wouldn't surprise me if there are actual people who have thought about using that stuff for bulletproof
As armor. It wouldn't surprise me either. That stuff is really, really hard to eat. Unless you soften it.
Smooto.
Yes, if you actually try to eat it, you will need to visit the dentist. Assuming they can even salvage what's left of your teeth.
Exactly.
Well, it wouldn't be my first rodeo at the dentist. If the dentist has Netflix and I can watch a show while they're trying to salvage teeth, I would be like, okay, cool.
But yeah, no. I will never ever eat hardtack again. I hated it. Its stuff was so bland.
I'm
Like,
sure
even-
with a drizzle of honey, it can be a good thing.
Once it's soft.
Yeah, once it's soft.
Yeah, you let it soften in like tea with honey or something to just give it some flavor. Then it would be a good shit.
You'd have to soak it for at least an hour.
Yeah. You gotta soak
Something.
that stuff for at least an hour. To
You don't know
fully
the
soften
first
it.
time. You don't know the first. I eat like shit that is half softened or stuff like that. Just I need that shit now. I'm gonna eat it.
To
Because
fully soften it, it's an hour. But you could technically eat it, I think it's like, what, after 3 minutes? Something like that.
Okay,
You're
Bonehilda
absolutely
and
desperate, but
Bjorn are
even then,
not
there's a
getting
good chance
along.
it'll break it.
Who
Well,
and
yeah,
who, what?
it's a skeleton and it's a dog. Dogs go for bones.
Yeah, I'm getting tired of this caramel e-liquid. I'm gonna use a new cartridge. No, fuck it. I need to end that liquid before actually using a new cartridge. Shit. So I'm stuck with caramel until I end that thing and I can change the liquid in.
That
Great.
sucks.
And that's why cartridges are not fun.
Well, looks like I'm gonna
So,
get promoted today after work. I'm gonna, yeah.
How goes
Pick
the
up.
build testing?
Oh, shit.
I'm feeling forgot.
Blame for gore.
Bro, yeah, he keeps asking sort of thing. It's like, I'm trying to do other things as well, so I'm like juggling so many damn things at once.
I must leave soon, but I want to know if my hours and hours of effort were worth it first.
Right, okay, I'm in the launcher. The settings work. So the settings area works. I'll check game settings. Yep, game settings works.
Yeah.
Community
The
tab
issue with the main
crashes.
settings. Wait, what?
Community tab crashes.
I thought I fixed that.
Apparently not.
Clearly not.
It would seem so. Can you launch it from the terminal so that you can actually get
The dumb.
the error report
Why is it-
once the community tab
Why do you want
crashes?
the terminal? I can't even remember how the hell I'm supposed to do this with the terminal.
So if you just right-click in the actual like file manager in the folder, you can open the terminal there and then just do the /W3 and press tab. It'll automatically complete the rest of it.
It's not doing that.
Did you
So
open the terminal?
I've opened the tab. It's there.
Yeah, but did you open the
Goddamn
terminal from the file
How?
browser?
How? Flame! What the fuck? You started a fire!
Oh, wonderful!
Well, it's his
How did I do that?
namesake.
It didn't even. There was nothing on the stove!
Oh, and of course my character is complaining about the sound as well, so it's like, get out of there. Anako's just trying to use magic to put it out.
How did
Classic me. You don't need a fire extinguisher with me around.
Just turns the fire into like a flame elemental.
Don't forget the terror. Oh no. I might have a fear of pyro. Oh, I might be pyrophobic after this.
But yeah, so I basically need a copy of the crash log, which it only prints to the terminal, it doesn't actually put that in the log file.
For some godforsaken reason.
So what
Because
do I
Ruby
need to
is
type? Is
stupid.
it the? Because it's now in the launch.
Ruby wanna
I'm
be
now in the
special.
console. It's like if I
Yeah.
try and type W3D, nothing comes up.
Yeah, so you need to have ./W3D and then you press tab.
Yep.
There we go. And then I just hit enter.
Yep. And then you click on once it launches, you click on community, and it should print out the log.
You should have text. And then just send me a screenshot.
Alright. I'm now level 7 in the military career. I'm now a fighter pilot. And let's see what I got. Congratulations, my impressive performance has earned me a promotion to fighter pilot, as well as a bonus of 1,740 simoleons. The extensive training has paid off, and you've been rewarded with a top-of-the-line yet. Your name is on its side, and your own wingman to look after you. The military life is getting more exciting each every day, but with the excitement comes danger and the unknown. Watch your 6 up there. I now make 167 per hour and work from 7 to 1300 hours.
700 to 13.
When I run it like that through the terminal, I just click the community thing. Works. Through the terminal.
But through the
I
binary
Click
itself,
around
no.
things like
I don't think that has anything
the
to do with it. I
settings.
think there was something else that caused that crash, which has fixed itself. But if you run around into different areas again and then try going back to the community
Well,
tab, see if you...
I even hit the. I've hit literally every tab into the community center. No crash.
Well, then whatever caused it to crash was a temporary issue and is now fixed.
And that is when it's in that's when in 5 minutes
Or
it's
it's only
back.
doing it through the terminal because it's launching it through the terminal rather than launching it through the Ruby thing.
Say what?
Valid value 200 for choose. Valid options are. Oh, right, okay, that's for. Right, I think. Yeah, that's frame rate shit. That's. That's only giving it for frame rate stuff, which is that's fine. There's no problem there.
Okay.
But yeah, whether
Yeah,
you
fuck
double
it.
click on the binary versus launching it in the terminal, that won't actually change its behavior at all. That just gives you
I'll just
access
check with
to the output.
There is actually a difference. Launching it from the terminal is perfectly fine. Launching it through the binary doesn't.
What?
And I don't have a way to be able to show you the log.
Just send me a screenshot of the terminal.
I have a screenshot region thing set up in Spectacle, which I use all the time. If I'm asked to send a screenshot, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna screenshot that region, which is interesting data, and boom.
You probably should send the stuff to
Once onto the
Akko instead
server,
of Flame.
downloads to community.
I have some build. I
Games to
had some
community.
builds.
Nope.
There was needed a fix on.
Games to community. Nope.
The tricky part is that
We're on a Debian-based distribution, and
yeah,
which do not work the same exact ways as Fedora-based distributions.
Yep.
Nope, didn't even give me anything. Like, even with the fact that I was launching the, I launched the terminal. It was working perfectly fine, no problems. And then launched it with the binary itself, going into my start page, hitting W3D, select that, crash. Doesn't give me a log of any sort, and it doesn't even distribute it onto the terminal for me to see with that thing running.
Well, it wouldn't. When you're launching, when you're actually launching it from the terminal, and you go to the community tab, do the pictures load?
Yes.
Okay.
Pictures
When you're
load,
launching
text
it from the
loads,
terminal, you're
everything.
launching the wrong one. That's why it's not crashing.
How do I pick which one then if I'm doing it from the file called W3D Hub Launcher?
Yeah. So, when you're in the terminal, what does the actual line say before you hit enter?
/W3D underscore hub underscore Linux underscore launcher. It's like it is on Ultramarine, that particular thing on Master Prime.
Okay. That's the problem.
Version 3.3.8.
That's... well... Is that just the line showing stuff, or is that the line that you actually typed in?
That's the line showing stuff.
Okay. What is... when you type it in order to launch it and press enter, what is the part that's typed in?
I will just show you what I have typed.
Okay. If you type /W3 and then hit tab twice really quickly, what does it say?
Okay, I have data slash lib slash rake file, the launcher along with an asterisk, gem file, locales, readme, the launcher.ruby, gemfile.lock, media slash, update from
What did you...
git.sh.
I don't think you typed enough before you double tapped tab there.
Couldn't? It filled out W3D hub underscore whatever thing. Like it did that and then it gave me all of those.
Yeah. Because, I think... Hang on. I'm pretty sure you're launching the wrong thing. I'm just trying to figure out what to tell you to launch in order to fix it.
The W3D Hub Launcher underscore Fedora.
No, because I don't actually have anything that specifies Fedora.
Shoot.
Give me one moment. Hold on.
Sure thing.
I wanted to run Arch Linux originally before settling on Pop OS. I may still like do a system change, but keep my files and shit intact later to Arch when I figure out how to do stuff for the install media.
Alright.
with NVIDIA.
So what I want you to do, that zip that you downloaded, extract it somewhere else.
I'm gonna drop. I'll talk to y'all later.
Alright.
Yeah. Extract the zip somewhere that is not on top of the standard launcher folder that you currently have. And then do the same process of going there in the file browser, right click, open in terminal, and launch it that way. And see what happens when you go to the community tab.
Skazlati, Mugag.
And Hanako, I'm sending you a link to the most recent build as well if you want to fool around and see if you can get any more
Yeah,
error
sure.
reports out of it.
Because if we can test on both Debian-based and Fedora-based distributions, it will be even better. Because then we can have something that works on every distribution.
Yeah. Because the nice thing is, in the case, well, I mean, it'll be difficult to get it to work on every distribution.
Every distribution that's based on major distributions. There we go.
Yeah. Because, I mean, the nice thing is Arch actually will create a sim-linked, kind of like an emulated version of the etc/SSL
But I wish I was an
folder
Arch.
that is available on Debian. So there's no special stuff required in order to make it support Arch.
Cousin Bungie.
Oh dear God. God damn it.
However, Fedora stores the SSL CA certs in a different location.
Of course, Fedora gotta be different.
Well, I mean, Red Hat as a whole stores them in a different location and has for a significant number of years. Not just Fedora, but the true root of Fedora, all the way back to Red Hat, uses a significantly better defined structure for storing those. Whereas Debian it's a little bit more user-friendly, so to speak. But why are you trying to store your SSL certificates in a user-friendly manner?
I don't know, probably because people want to fool around.
No.
Okay, community works on my end. I can click on the read more without any crash. I can access the posts just fine.
Do the images load?
No. I will send you.
Didn't expect them to.
Just in case you need a screenshot, there you go. They show up like this.
So, I still have not fixed the fact that the images do not load.
Oh! Setting just crashed. Again.
What error did it give this time?
Gang, it appears that my family are going to go see my nan, so I will need to be downstairs with the dogs. So if I'm gone for a while, you'll know why now.
Unknown language code J Aaron
So
Damara.
I shall see you hopefully when at least one of them pops back up.
Okay.
Right.
Take care. We fixed it, and now it's broken again. Ah, god damn.
Oh. Blark.
And the normal log file is still not really descriptive of what the error has found, but a bunch of one debug info, but no like error in the normal log. Just for the terminal that that this is accessible.
Perk, Ernike, Ibamani, Bimbalap Rizat. Oh, Lix Blisselferb. Shiba do dams at our stop.
Build 455. Shit finally works everywhere. I said it jokingly, but this is the truth of doing things with games. Sweet scented cloud. Oh, oh god. It's 20. Oh, no wonder why I'm hungry. It's 20:53. It's almost 9 p.m.
Door bacon.
Lamubi.
Kinia Fusa. Fusa. Kinia Fusa. Fusa. Oh. Kazawi. Feedib on feed. Oh. Feyanor. Harblin Vandu.
Please come play Pokemon Go. Yeah, I know, but I also know that you want me to play your game so bad. But I don't wanna fuck up my things. So I'm not gonna play the game while I'm not in Japan.
Food. What?
Alright, I'm building a new release that should
Hopefully work.
completely drop the raise error.
3 billion builds later.
New link.
Sweet. Gotta check that out. I love that it downloads automatically to the right folder and everything. Just like, just click on the link and download.
Yep.
The archive should have a 4 next to it. Extract 2, W3. This time the vape did not get dropped. Root new folder W3D launcher latest 2. Running console. Whoa. Whoa. Directly.
Oh no, what'd I do this time?
Try again. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot that. Apparently, there's something that in the class ID of the W3D hub that is not okay. Online .3.lat 14.
Ah,
This time he did not wait for it to be launched and me clicking on something, but like straight away, like nope, get fucked.
yeah, no, that one's a syntax error.
Oops. That happens to the best of us.
I hate Ruby.
Fuck Ruby. Let's at least follow the languages that we need for some very obscure projects. Construction simulator. What the hell? It's just a game called Construction Simulator. I'm so tempted. Ah, that sticky rice that's behind me is like so enticing. Except the people who find very disgusting and I'm like, give me some sticky rice. Immediately.
Ooh, a newfie. Dina.
Yeah.
Ardu. Dansawi.
Sneeved.
Maja. Neeb neeb.
Unibi.
Ardu. Dansawi.
Guwag.
Oh, Phoebe Lay.
Goussoir.
Shibby Dorp. Vep. Nimzor.
Cosmic.
Hang on. Building the fix. You can just completely delete that one.
No, latest 2 I can delete it? Okay, sure.
Yep.
Control. There. Boom. PopOS is introducing a new desktop environment on 2402 that I plan to release soon. Why is Cosmic? What the fuck?
You haven't heard of the Cosmic Desktop?
That's the first time!
I don't even use Pop! OS, and I've heard of it. If I remember correctly, it takes a lot of inspiration from Deepin.
Well, it looks like it does because of how the taskbar is laid out and the window styling. It does take a lot of inspo from Deepin OS.
Yeah. I think it's technically still based on GNOME. Yeah, they've been working on the Cosmic Desktop for a while now. But it kind of also just strikes me as a modified version of GNOME with some default plugins.
So it is developed to be similar to GNOME and written in Rust. Interesting. It has own set of own apps instead of using like GNOME stuff. It uses its own apps. So they've made their own thing. The unnamed engineer has sent me a new build to take a test. Taking a little bit longer to download this time.
Yeah. GitHub servers are slow.
Okay. Running console. No errors so far. Console is clean. Community still works, although the images is still not work for now. Still can access the servers, okay. Games tab works. Download tabs working. Invalid value true for choose valid options were English. I just got a little error, but the sentence tab works with still this field and button cut off. But apart of this, I can click on any tab and no problem.
Yeah. I'm still not entirely sure why it's doing that field and button cutoff thing. Because as far as I can tell, it's not doing that. Like, it's only doing that to us.
Could it be a graphics library thing? What graphics library do you use? Like graphics platform?
But the problem is that, like, that's the screenshot I got from Flame.
He is on Wayland, if I remember correctly.
Oh, so do I.
I'm on X11, and for you and I, it's just like, fuck off.
Yeah. But, like, I am on Ultramarine with Wayland. Flame is on Ultramarine with Wayland. So I don't know if it's something with the size of the window that's causing it to act up or what.
No, because even if I resize it, the field remains cut off.
Yeah.
It's so fucking weird. That for Flame it's all okay, but for us, like, I don't know, maybe it's a thing with. I might be grasping for straws, but perhaps a KD version?
But I'm using no.
And I'm using KD. Huh. So we know it's not a desktop environment thing then, because if it does on KD 5.24 slash the framework at 5.98, and you are on GNOME, they both have the same thing happening. And then there is Flame with KD 6.x and no problem.
Yeah. So, no idea why it's doing that.
I mean, the browse for game executable button works, just that the field is cut off. What the hell? So weird.
Oh,
You know what's even funnier?
What is?
The second Flame walked away, I got a response from CyberArm.
What did CyberArm say?
He responded to my ping and said, "Yeah, what you got?"
I think I'm gonna call it stream here. I'm starting to doze off.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta stop having all these rude awakenings. So yeah, I'm not gonna bother. I don't know what the hell. Let me see who's on. But in stream, right out. Following. okay ways on, but
Pensar no vale.
Oh, so it's shortage straw. Blame it, I know him. The grass is playing Fallout. Feels like I just raided KY though. I know I raided Greenhorn and okay, so does it feel like I raided KY recently?
Excuse me. I'm sorry for your ears.
What the fuck? We're gonna see. We're gonna raid Shorty Straw. It's been a minute. I think. Playing classic Sam and Max hit the road, so yay. I did. Alright, I'll take everybody stopped by, hung out, or watched. If you followed, appreciate it. Sorry for the short stream, I'm just really tired. I'm falling asleep. Right, I'll try to be live again later tonight. Maybe, we'll see. Until next time.